Okay, I'm going to demo how to insert a link or embed HTML into a Google site. Depending on which presentation tool you used, you will have different methods of doing this. First thing I need to do is I need to be able to edit my page. I'm going to show you Haiku Deck first. Haiku Deck I can embed by using the HTML source code. So I'm going to go to my presentation in Haiku, and I'm going to choose the share button. When I'm in the share button, it allows me to either copy the link, share in several different social media places, or to get the HTML. This one works, so I'm going to click on the HTML embed code. I'm going to copy my HTML embed code. I'm going to go back to my Google site, click HTML. This is the HTML code for break. I can either put my HTML before it or after. It doesn't make a difference at this point. I'm going to Control V. It puts it into an iframe, which is a good thing. I'm going to click Update. It shows a blank square, so I'm going to click Save. And I should immediately see my presentation. This pretty much works for Haiku Deck. It doesn't seem to work for Emaze embed code and Prezi embed code. So now I'm going to show you how to put in Emaze and Prezi. So let's go back to Edit. I'm going to delete this one because you've already saw how I did that. And the next thing that I'm going to put in is I'm going to show you how to put in an Emaze. So Emaze, you would, sorry, I was already ready to share it. You would click on the share button, and it gives you several choices here. It does give you the iframe embed code, but it doesn't seem to work with Google Sites. So I'm going to click Shareable Link, and I'm going to click Copy. Go back to my presentation, and I'm going to actually title it the name of my presentation. So for this one, it would be Jamestown, very small, hold on a second, size 12 at least, Jamestown, oops, presentation, I can't spell today. I'm going to use those words as my link. I'm going to highlight, click on link, click web address, paste in that URL to my presentation, and click this box right here, open this link in a new window. This is a friendly thing to do so that it doesn't wipe out the page you're on. I click OK, and I can see that my link has been added. I would click Save, and if I click here, it would take me to my presentation, and it would be ready to start. Okay. So going back, same kind of thing for Prezi. I would click on Edit. I'm going to delete this one that I put in just to make life simpler. And I'm going to add the Prezi link. So the first thing I do is I go to my Prezi. I click on Share. The embed code for Prezi doesn't seem to work in Google Sites, so I click Share. I have to make sure that it's hidden, not public, not private. I copy my link, and I go back to my presentation. I would type again my words so that it just doesn't have a link. Highlight, click the link, web address, paste, open this link in a new window, click OK, and then this would take me, once I save it, this would take me to my Prezi link for my presentation. The last one that I want to show you is I want to show you how to insert your Google presentation, which is actually one of the easiest ways to do it. You'd click Insert, Google, Presentation, and it will either take you to the presentation that you were just last working on, or it will take you to a search bar, and I have tons of student ones here, sorry. It will take me to the one that I want. I can include a border and a title. I like my title, so we're going to go ahead. I can start it. I can restart it. I have it in size small, which is okay with me. I'm clicking Save. I won't be able to see it until I click Save, and then my example will start and show. So this is how you would insert several different types of presentations into your Google site. If you have one that I didn't cover, you would either try to embed it by doing the same as Haiku Deck, or you would make it a link, the same as I did with eMaze and Prezi. I think there's one of you out there doing a PowerPoint presentation. You are going to want to download the PowerPoint and insert it into your Google site. Thank you.